Technology has always changed the world, but it has also replaced millions of jobs along the way. In today's video, we're going to explore how technological evolution has eliminated certain professions over time, and which jobs might disappear in the future. From the Industrial Revolution replacing manual labor, to ATMs reducing the need for bank tellers, and how automation transformed factory work, history proves that innovation always reshapes employment. And now, with artificial intelligence, robotics, and automation advancing faster than ever, the big question is, which jobs are next? Is your career future-proof? Stay till the end of this video as we break down the past, present, and future of job evolution in the age of technology.